Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Today we are going to discuss about a chapter quadratic equations which is part of both NCERT as well as CBSE. Under NCERT it is exercise 10.1 question number 1 sixth bit. Under CBSE it is exercise 4.1 question number 1 sixth bit. Now we will move to the question. So here an expression is given which is x square plus 3x plus 1 equals x minus 2 whole square. So we will have to simplify this particular expression, and final simplified equation what we are getting, whether it is quadratic or not, is what we have to assess. Now we will understand the LHS first. So in LHS there are three terms: x square, 3x and also 1. So these three terms are unlike terms because first term is having x square, second term is having x term, and third term is a constant term. We cannot add or subtract these terms. Now coming to the RHS, which is x minus 2 whole square. Now this is looking like a minus b whole square. So if you apply a minus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we see that if you compare, in the formula there is LHS, and in the problem what he has given, in that if you compare the RHS, which is x minus 2 whole square and a minus b whole square, so we observe that where there is a there is x, and where there is b there is number 2. So if this particular expression is to be used, so in RHS of the formula we see that it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So similarly we will have to substitute x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2. So how to do that? Let us see. So here we have understood that a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Now how to substitute and then simplify is, all the terms of LHS would remain same, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 would remain same, whereas in RHS we see that I have applied the formula, that is a minus b whole square. So in case of a I have substituted as x, and in case of b I have taken it as 2. So that is, this is a square which is x square and b square which is 2 square minus 2ab which is 2 into x into 2. Now how to simplify this further? We see that here there is x square term in LHS and x square term in RHS. So these two would get simplified, that is they would get cancelled, and on RHS I would be left with 3x plus 1. That's what I've written here, that is 3x plus 1. Also coming to RHS, 2 square would become 4, that is this number, and minus 2ab is 2 into 2 is 4 into x is 4x. Now how to simplify this further? Now on RHS we have 4 minus 4x, also on LHS 3x plus 1. So let us transpose all the terms of RHS towards the LHS. That is how to do that. Let us see next step. So the terms of LHS would remain as it is, that is 3x plus 1 would remain as it is, whereas I have transposed both the terms of RHS towards the LHS. So plus 4 would become minus 4 and minus 4x would become plus 4x. Now rearranging the terms, we see that there is 3x and also 4x with both plus sign, so this would get added and would become plus 7x here. So 3x and 4x has got added up and then it has become plus 7x. Also the numbers plus 1 and minus 4, so we have simplified, that is plus 1 minus 4 would become minus 3. So the final answer is 7x minus 3. This cannot be further simplified. So this is the final required equation. Now how to analyze whether it is quadratic or not? Because the highest exponent of x is not 2, that is highest exponent of x is 1 in this case, so it can be called as a quadratic equation only if the highest exponent is 2. That is why this is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c, that is it is not a quadratic equation. Thank you.